We've got Power BI reports baked directly into Business Central, which is great for the end user. But then we've also got these dashboards that show the performance of your business without having to be logged in. Some of you might be using this already, which is great if you are, but if you're not, I'd really encourage you to look at this, because this will show how your business is doing without you having to go and run reports from Business Central. Of course, as well, it also works on your cell phone. So this is a capture of my own phone running those same reports. And you can see here that they're formatted really nicely to work on a smaller screen. And all of those reports show exactly the same level of detail. You can still drill down into them. And then as you spin your phone around, it will kind of change the way that the reports kind of look. So you're always getting kind of the most kind of screen real estate, if you like. And so, like I said, the whole point of this is making sure that as a busy CFO, somebody that's out on the road, you've got insight into your data, it's all refreshed live, and you don't have to become an expert on a new system. So if you do have the time to go into Business Central, great, but if you don't, your reporting is still excellent.